For those needing orthopedic care, such as shoulder, hip, or knee surgery, Mountain View Hospital is the place to go. You'll be welcomed to the hospital's beautiful new surgical unit by friendly staff who will make you feel at home. Physicians appreciate the experience Mountain View provides for their patients.
I love coming to Mountain View Hospital. The personnel are so experienced, reliable, and the best around. My patients say they're treated like close family members here, not as numbers, but as individuals.
And it's not just the patients, their family members are comfortable and well taken care of while they're waiting.
So the staff here at Mountain View is awesome, and I trust them to help us provide the best care for our patients. The operating rooms here are brand new and they have the latest and greatest equipment.
The precision of the robot allows us to have better accuracy with our total joint replacements so that you're potentially having smaller incisions and less soft tissue irritation. This allows for quicker patient healing.
And if you need to stay overnight, the orthopedic nurses are the best you'll find anywhere. They're knowledgeable, attentive, and kind.
My patients agree.
When you need orthopedic surgery, come to Mountain View Hospital.